Good morning, students. Hope everyone will be safe in your home. Welcome to the today's session. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is animals, habitat and adaptation. So before entering into this class, what are the learning objectives we are going to learn from this chapter? So first we are going to learn what is an habitat, what is adaptation, what are the terrestrial animals, what are the futures of animals living in forest, deserts, mountain regions and polar regions, and what are the futures of the animals living in the aquatic region, and what do you mean by mimicry, camouflage, etc. So these are the learning objectives that we are going to learn from this chapter. Okay. So before entering into this topic, we'll see some introduction about this chapter. Okay. So our earth, it is made up of both living things as well as the non-living things, right? So in our day-to-day life, we see different type of plants and animals. So each and every living plants and animals, they have the different habitat, right? So some of the animals, they live in the land, some they live in the water, some they live on the mountain, some of them they live in the desert region. And few animals, they live in both water as well as in the land. Example, amphibian, that is a frog. The frog can live in water as well as the land. Okay, so each and every animal, they have the different habitats. Their habitat means what? The living place. The living place, they are very different. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about what is an habitat, how the animals are adapting themselves to live in that habitat. Clear? So what is an introduction? Our earth is made up of both living things and non-living things. So not only the human beings, the plants and animals are also present in the earth. So each and everything, they have the different habitat, right? Some of the plants and animals, they live on the land, some they lives in the water, some they lives on the mountain, and some of them they live on the desert region. So few animals can able to live both in land as well as the water. So each and every organisms, plants, animals, they have the different habitat. What do you mean by the term habitat? Habitat means what? The place where a particular animals live naturally. It is called as an habitat. So what is the definition? Where a place which is suitable for that animal living naturally, it is called as an habitat. So if you take the polar bear, so where the polar bear live? It will live only in the polar regions, right? It can able to live on the normal land? No. So which is a habitat for that? The polar region. It is the habitat of that place. So based on this habitat, they are classified into two types. One is said to be the terrestrial and second one is called as an aquatic. What do you mean by the terrestrial? Terrestrial means it includes the land, that is forest, mountain, desert region and polar region. So whatever the plants and animals live in this region, they are called as an terrestrial animals. And then aquatic animals. Aquatic animals include freshwater habitat as well as the saltwater habitat. Freshwater means what? It is a lake, pond, river. They are called as some freshwater habitat. Saltwater means it indicates the ocean, sea, etc. I am repeating, what is an habitat? Habitat means the place where a particular animals live naturally. It is called as an habitat. Based on their habitat, they are classified into two types, terrestrial and aquatic animals. Terrestrial means animals living on land. Example, forest, mountain, desert and polar region. Aquatic means animals living in water. So there are two types of water, freshwater habitat and saltwater habitat. The freshwater include river, lake, pond. Saltwater include oceans, seas, etc. So first we will see about the terrestrial animals. What are terrestrial animals? So terrestrial animals are those which live on land forest. Okay, there is a forest area. So what are the physical features of this forest? So where the animals live? The animals will live in the forest, right? So the forest are the place only for the plants and animals? No. So many organisms are living in the forest. So now we will see what is the physical features. So what is a forest? It is a large area covered with the trees and also other kind of plants. So the forest floor means what? The last part of the forest. The forest floor, it is covered with the grass and small plants. So in the soil, some of the grass and soil plus small plants will be coming. And from the plant, we get the leaves, seeds, twigs and logs on the forest floor. Okay, I am repeating again. Terrestrial animals means those animals which live on land on forest. Okay, so forest physical feature. Animals which are living on the land, they are called as a terrestrial animal. First we are going to see about the forest. So what are the physical features? Forest are the large areas covered with the trees or other kind of plants. And then the forest floor, it is covered with the grass, that is the floor of the forest. Okay, it is covered with the grass and small plants. So there are lot of plants such as leaves, twigs, logs, weeds. They will fall on the forest floor. So what are the animals found in the forest? So forest provide, it is an habitat for many animals, right? Such as lion, tiger, bear and elephant. So it is a place where the animals live happily. And some of the animals, they will live on the trees. Example, monkeys, birds and some snakes. And some animals, they will live in the burrows. So rabbit, earthworm and the rats. So these were the animals that are found in the forest. So what is a forest? It is a physical feature. It is a home for different plants and animals. The forest floor, it is covered with the grass and the small plants. Some animals like lions, tiger, bears and elephants, they live in the forest. Some animals, they live on the trees. That is monkeys, birds and some snakes. And some, they live in the burrows. That are rabbit, earthworm and rats. So today what we have seen? First we have seen what is an habitat, right? What is an habitat? An habitat is a place where animals lives naturally. It is called as an habitat. How they are classified? They are classified into two types, terrestrial animals and aquatic animals. What are terrestrial animals? Animals which live on land. It is called as a terrestrial animal. So what are aquatic animals? Animals which live on water. They are called as an aquatic animals. What are the physical features of the forest? So the forest, it is a home for many plants and animals. Which animals are found in forest? Animals like lion, tiger, elephant and some animals, they live on trees. That is monkey, snake, etc. And last, some of the burrowing animals also present there. What are they? They are called as an earthworm and rats, rabbit. So these are the introduction about this chapter, and we will discuss in the next class.